Now, there's two ways of key management within IPSec. That could be manual. The keys can be changed out manually, or it can be changed through automation. Now, hardly anybody wants to do manual hardly anybody ever wants to do manual key refreshes because it's not really going to happen. It's not going to happen in the time it's supposed to. And we have products, we have protocols that can do automated key refreshes. But it's an option if somebody wants to do a manual key update for IPSec. Now, the de facto standard for IPSec key management is using a protocol called IKE, and that's Internet Key Exchange, IKE. And IKE is actually made up of two other protocols. It's a hybrid of the protocol called Oakley and another protocol which is ISACAMP. So these are two, Oakley and ISACAMP are individual protocols that provide a specific type of functionality, and when they're used together, they're referred to as IKE. And IKE could be used in other places other than IPSec, and it is used in other places. But this is the de facto standard. If you're going to set up a VPN using IPSec, you're usually going to use automated key refresh, and the protocol that you'll most often use is IKE. And we're going to talk about really what these two protocols that make up IKE and what they're for and what they do.